If the president of Pakistan is Hitler, what will we do? Thank God, it is Zardari. I give you the few example of thankfulness. First, I saw, I heard, whatever you call, a documentary on Geo News. A guy, a little kid, just 8 years old, and his arm is only, Mr. Mazhar, could you tell? His arm is only how many inches?
I can see that.
Can anybody in this room tell?
6 inches.
Yeah, Mr. Fazal is right. 6 inches. And he can do everything with the 6 inches arms. Just like he can do his homework, he can eat, he can drink, and even the kid use cell phone with the 6 inches arm. And with his feet, he can do homework. He always thanks to God. He never complain. But we always complain. We never say thanks. And I will give the example of Ernie Davis. How many of you familiar with this name, Ernie Davis? Anyone in this room?
No.
Probably I think Mr. Steve is, because Ernie Davis is a South African and he is played American football. He started to play American football in 1959. At 1961, he won the Heise Hill Trophy in American football. But since he was a black African, so the American didn't like it, and the management of the organizing, the meeting or the function would not allow him to receive the trophy. But his teammates took a decision that if he don't come, we also don't receive any cup or any trophy. And then he received Heise Hill Trophy. In 1962, he get the shocking news that he has leukemia, and soon he is died. But he never lost his hope. He played football 1 year, and he still thanks to God. He never complained. He thanked God. Put in yourself, just for example, put in yourself in the place of Ernie Davis. Just for 1 second. What will you do? Did you thanks to God? No. You always complain. And I tell you, in 1963, he died at the age of 23. So, always thanks. Did you ever thanks the waiter of this hotel? I know you say that why should we thanks to the waiter of this hotel, because we are paying, but the money is for the management, not for the waiters. They do this all arrangement. I know there some something misplaced, the left hand, or nobody is perfect in this world. So we should thanks everyone, and we should not forgetting thankfulness. Thank you, fellow Toastmasters.
This was our young Romeo.